The legal clinic aims to provide our students with real exposure to the practice of law. It offers them the chance to work in a professional law office, interact with practicing lawyers and trainees, and handle the daily responsibilities of a lawyer. This hands-on experience is something that goes beyond classroom learning, equipping them with practical skills and insights into the legal profession.
Cette expérience nous a permis, avec les avocats d'Al-Tamimi, de voir de nombreuses façons d'appliquer le droit aux Émirats, comme des due diligence ou des claim forms, ce qui m'a permis d'appliquer mes connaissances à des applications réelles du droit.
Cette expérience m'a permis de me rendre compte que toutes les compétences que l'on apprend dans notre licence peuvent servir dans le domaine professionnel.
Actually, at the beginning, I was super apprehensive about it because I didn't know anything about the professional life. And going through it and learning and hearing from new professional perspective made me want to experience this challenge. And I like it so much, so that's great.
It was very professional from the part of Tamimi as well, and for me it gave me so much clarity on what I want to do next. Speaking with the professional lawyers, hearing about their background and their experience really shed so much light on what I want to do next.
We shared a vision that a hands-on experience like this would be instrumental for them.
Hi, my name is Renim Salha. I'm a trainee solicitor at Tamimi Company, and alongside my legal work, I've been working with Sorbonne Université Abu Dabi and the Tamimi Academy on organizing and initiating the Pro Bono Legal Clinic here at our offices in Abu Dhabi. The Pro Bono Legal Clinic has been running for 8 weeks, whereby we're offering a team-building activity to show the students the importance of having soft skills alongside technical excellence. For the past 8 weeks, the students have been undergoing tasks that involve corporate structuring, due diligence, and even filing claim forms. Alongside that, they've been speaking to our seasoned professionals here at the office in relation to different routes of qualification and what it takes to be a lawyer in practice.
There's also a sense of giving back. Many of us recall our days as law students. I remember as a legal clinic student traveling with my peers to reach the communities we worked with. It's wonderful to see our students at Sorbonne University Abu Dhabi experiencing a similar journey, even taking the bus weekly from our campus to the Abu Dhabi Global Market ADGM to engage in real-world legal scenarios.